Today we needed a third person for our project, and we didn't have a third person, so we opted for Tack. Right, Tack? Are you going to help us? Tack. Oh, even he's given up. Anyway, what we're doing is we have a stock box that needs to go on the back of our truck, only we're weak. We are not football players, and so we needed to figure out a way to get it into the back of the truck. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our raised flower bed and we're going to use it for a stock box holder, and hopefully we'll get it high enough where we can put it on the back of this truck, because we're taking two does out of state to have them meet with their buck. Right, Tack? What do you think? Okay, we'll let you know when to start the truck. We'll keep you posted. It's always a little scary. Good job.